You can see this is the dismantled or unboxed parts of our product computer table. Here you can see number 1, then number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 2 pieces, then number 6 and number 7. Okay, here on the small holes we have to fix dowels. Okay, and the bigger portion we have to fix the minifix. Okay, this is the dowel and we are just fitting the same. Okay, and the nearby portion we are fixing the minifix screw. And the next portion minifix head. Okay, put all in this kind of holes. This is how we fitting the minifix. Okay, we can insert the minifix head on the positive direction. Also, please check the direction of the dowel. Okay, here we can see the direction. So this is how it is look like after inserting the minifix and dowels. Okay, here you can see the part 7 is like this, part 5, okay, then 4, then part 3 and 2 and the part 1. Okay, so taking part 1 and attaching the part 2 and part 3 with this product. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, and twisting the minifix. It is heavy strong right now. Same with the part 3. Okay, so this is the current status. We are fitting the item of 4 into this. Okay, here we go. Unlocking the minifix. Okay, okay, then turn around the product. This is the current status. So the product will look like this. Okay, then we attach the next portion too. Here we attaching the next portion, attaching part 5. And locking with minifix. Okay, then attaching the next portion. Here we go, the portion number 6. Lock all the 4 minifix here. So this is the current status. Okay, so here we install the last portion, the portion number 7. It will be look like this, and we will fit on here. Okay, and we will lock with this minifix. There will be 4 minifix. So this is the final step. We will fix this on the back portion, and the product will be look like this. Thank you.